So I this is Amit as VIT Triple E exam is completed now yesterday. So here I am with the remaining 3 day marks versus for rank, that is expected marks versus rank. Soon I will provide you rank versus all campus category wise cutoff, all branch I will discuss. So please try to subscribe this channel. I am doing the this counseling thing from last 7 years. This is my full-time job across India. I have guided all type of student for all counseling, VIT, Manipal, Bitside, Comet, Triple E, and Josa Counseling, Jack Delhi. So on the screen you are getting my number just for paid guidance. If you want the paid guidance, then only try to contact me. So here is the expected marks versus rank. That is rank range will be from 1000 to 2.5 thousand for first May, second and third May. Already for 28, 29 and 38 I have uploaded the video. You can check that video in the screen of this video, I button, description box, or you can better go to VIT playlist to get more video about the VIT. So if you are targeting 500 rank or below that, then your marks should be 430 and 425 out of 500 in first May, first and second shift. Second May 425, 420. Third May 420, 415. This is the marks that you have to get to get under 500 rank. And before moving forward for this video, I would like to inform you whatever rank I am providing you, this is the worst case scenario. You will get anything better than this only. But there is a big question mark because they can do a scam in ranking. As I have provided the video from last 6-7 years, I am guiding the student from VIT college, but from last 2-3 years they are doing this. Many students who got 98 99 percentile in JEE, they were getting like 1 lakh plus rank, 2 lakh plus rank in last year VIT. You can check, you can confirm with your senior if you have any in your relative. Otherwise you can check last year video also. You can comment, check the comment, because they are not foolproof, means they are not transparent in the ranking system. So it can happen anything, but it will not happen with all the student. But some student may fall in this trap and they will have to pay higher fee, because they intentionally provide the high rank so that they can sell the seat at higher rate. Because you also know category 4-5 will be available at higher rank, and the fee for category 4-5 is very high, and more number of seats they put in category 4-5 means more than 50% seat. Category 1-2-3 is just the name, because they just want to advertise that in 2 lakh I provide the seat, but in category 1 only 10% seats are there. That's why very few people will able to get it. So hope you get my point. Now 1.2 thousand 410 405 mark, that is first May shift 1 shift 2, second 405 400, third 400 and 395. Whatever I am providing you the marks versus rank, many people will feel that question we are like JEE mains, how you are providing so high marks. I know the VIT, this is the reality, and VIT can't be like JEE mains. Obviously paper was difficult, but not so like JEE mains. So this type of marks versus rank you can expect, because when there was 125 marks exam, there was that time obviously there was no negative marks, but even a student with 100 marks, they were not able to get under 1000 rank. But now here you have to think about it detail, because VIT is a little bit easy exam and everyone will able to score more marks. So 2.3 thousand if you are targeting, then 390, that is May 1, May 2 385, May 3 380, and this is for shift 1. After shift 2, after slash you can check the data for shift 2. For 4000, first 370, second 365, third 360. Now for 8000 or less rank, 350 marks, for 345 marks, 340 marks, that is first shift of all 3 days, that is first, second, third of May. And again I am telling you for 28, 29, 30th I have already uploaded the video. You can check in the VIT Triple E 2026 playlist of this same channel. So here 13,000 if you are targeting, then 330, 325, 315, that is first shift marks for first, second, third May. After slash you can check the data for second shift. And before moving forward for this video, I would like to inform you, as I'm providing my number on the screen, this is for paid guidance only. Once you register, I will guide you for each and everything starting from now until your final admission, for choice filling, decision making, how to put the choices, because there will be category wise option, whether you should take category 4 in Vellore or category 2 in Chennai. You and your parents will be having argument over those things, that I want to in Vellore, but parents will say too much money I can't pay. So what you should select, what will be the best for your future, lower branch or less fee, or better branch, high fee, everything I will discuss with you, so that you will do best thing. Because in VIT counseling, It is a very unique type of counseling. Phase wise counseling will be done and category wise choice filling you have to do, and only one option or one chance you will get. Once you do any mistake, you will be out of counseling and there is no further option you will have. So that's why it is important to do it in a presence of a guide, that is mentor, who can guide you for each and everything, like me, or if you like any other person, you can join with them also. But I am doing it from last 7 years, so I can do it in better manner. So hope you get my point. For 25,000 rank, if you are targeting, then 300 marks, 295, 290, that is shift 1 of all day, and shift 2 you can check after slash. For 35,000, 280, 275, 270. For 50, 260, 255, 250. For 65, 235, 230, 225. For 80, 205, 200 and 195. 1 lakh, 180, 175, 170. 1.2 lakh, 160 and 155, 150. And for 1.4 lakh, 140, 135, 130. And for 1.8 lakh or less than rank of 1.8 lakh, that is 1 lakh 80,000, 100, 95, 90. 2 lakh 80, 75, 70. 2.3 lakh 50, 45, 40. This is first shift. After slash you can check the data of second shift. Now for 2.5 lakh, 30, 25 and 20. This is the complete information. As I told you, counseling is very important, otherwise your all rank, all marks will be wasted. Once you do a single mistake, then VIT dream will be shattered. So that's why it is important to take the guidance from me and get your admission process smoothly done. Thank you.